Good morning, friends. Welcome to your AI Baba Daily Forecast for Saturday, June 28th, 2025. Saturdays are your chance to recharge, relax, and enjoy the little joys, whether it's family time, a quiet moment, or your favorite treat. Today, let's promise to be present and savor the simple pleasures. Your morning chai, the birds outside, or a surprise smile. This isn't about complicated predictions, just friendly, practical advice to help you make the most of your day. So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's dive into a Saturday full of positivity and good vibes. Hello, Taurus friends. As the sun shines upon your sign, remember that today, your inherent patience is not just a virtue, it's your superpower. It's the quiet force that allows you to navigate the world with grace and achieve your goals with unwavering determination. Embrace this inner strength, for it will guide you through any challenges that may arise. Your steady and methodical approach is your greatest asset. It helps you make real, tangible progress in all areas of your life, whether it's in your career, your personal projects, or your relationships. Don't underestimate the power of consistent effort and a well-thought-out plan. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your desired outcome. In moments of uncertainty, don't rush. Trust your process. Have faith in the path you've chosen and the steps you're taking. Remember that growth takes time, and the most beautiful things in life are often the result of patient cultivation. Allow yourself the space to learn, adapt, and evolve along the way. Today is a particularly great day for financial planning. Take some time to review your budget, assess your investments, and make any necessary adjustments to ensure your long-term financial security. Your practical and grounded nature makes you well-suited for making sound financial decisions. It's also an excellent day for making practical decisions at home. Perhaps you're considering a home improvement project, decluttering your living space, or simply reorganizing your belongings. Your attention to detail and appreciation for comfort will guide you in creating a harmonious and functional home environment. Trust your gut. Your sensible and well-considered choices will ultimately pay off. You have a natural ability to assess situations objectively and make decisions that are in your best interest. Believe in your judgment and have confidence in your ability to achieve your goals. In relationships, your calm and steady presence is a source of comfort and stability for those around you. Your loved ones appreciate your unwavering support and your ability to create a sense of security. Nurture these connections by offering your patient understanding and unwavering loyalty. Remember that sometimes, just being there for someone means a lot. Your presence and quiet support can make a world of difference in someone's life. Offer your ear, your shoulder, and your unwavering friendship to those who need it most. Take time to enjoy the simple pleasures that life has to offer. Savor the small moments of joy and appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. These simple pleasures can bring a sense of peace and contentment to your day. Indulge in a good meal, prepared with love and enjoyed in good company. Immerse yourself in music or spend some quality time in nature. These activities can help you relax, recharge, and reconnect with your inner self. Allow yourself to be soothed by the sounds of nature or uplifted by the power of music. Remember, comfort and quality matter more than extravagance. Focus on creating a life that is both comfortable and fulfilling, rather than chasing after material possessions. Invest in experiences and relationships that bring you lasting joy and satisfaction. But be mindful not to let your patience turn into stubbornness. While your steadfastness is admirable, it's important to remain open to new perspectives and possibilities. Stay open to new ideas and be willing to consider alternative viewpoints. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow, even if it means stepping outside of your comfort zone. Listen to others with an open mind, even if you don't necessarily agree with their opinions. Engage in respectful dialogue and seek to understand different perspectives. You might be surprised at what you can learn from others. Remember that true strength lies in flexibility. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances and embrace new challenges is essential for personal growth and resilience. Be like the strong oak tree, deeply rooted and unwavering in your values, but also willing to let your branches sway a little in the wind. Embrace adaptability and allow yourself to bend without breaking. Embrace the power of your patience, stay grounded in your values, and have a truly rewarding and successful day. Scorpio friends, as the stars align, a powerful energy surrounds you, highlighting your innate gifts and potential. Your intuition and inner strength are at their peak today, creating a reservoir of resilience within you. Feel this surge of power, this unwavering confidence that allows you to navigate any challenge with grace and determination. Trust your instincts, that quiet voice within, that unwavering compass guiding you forward. They'll guide you through any situation, illuminating the path ahead even when surrounded by uncertainty. Embrace this inner wisdom. It is your most valuable asset. Dive deep into projects, those endeavors that ignite your passion and capture your imagination. Or problems. Confront them head-on with unwavering resolve. Your focus will bring breakthroughs, unlocking hidden solutions and paving the way for remarkable progress. Embrace your intensity, that fiery spirit that sets you apart and fuels your ambition, and use it to fuel your passions, transforming dreams into tangible realities. Let your enthusiasm be contagious, inspiring those around you to pursue their own aspirations with unwavering dedication. In relationships, those precious connections that enrich your life, nurture strong bonds, fostering deeper understanding and unwavering support. With honest, heartfelt conversations, express your authentic self and create a space for genuine connection to flourish. Express yourself with kindness. Choose your words carefully, knowing their impact on those around you. Your words have power, the ability to heal, inspire, and uplift. Let go of old grudges. Release the weight of resentment and bitterness. Forgiveness frees you for new beginnings, opening your heart to possibilities and allowing you to move forward with renewed hope. Try writing down your feelings, giving voice to your innermost thoughts and emotions, and letting them go, releasing the pent-up energy and creating space for clarity and peace. Make space for positivity, inviting joy, gratitude, and optimism into your life. Your ability to transform is your greatest asset, allowing you to adapt, evolve, and overcome any obstacle in your path. Use it on yourself today, focusing on personal growth and self-improvement, and feel lighter as you shed the burdens of the past and embrace the freedom of the present moment. Shine with your unique strength, radiating confidence, compassion, and authenticity. Make today transformative, a day of growth, healing, and empowerment. Aquarius friends, today is your day to innovate and inspire. Share your ideas. They can spark real change. Get involved in your community, even with small acts of kindness. Your open-mindedness attracts people. Connect and energize your social circle. Enjoy big conversations, but don't forget those closest to you. Give them your attention. Balance your independence with emotional connection. Be open, be vulnerable. It strengthens your relationships. Let your heart speak as much as your mind. This balance will make your day fulfilling. Lead with vision and compassion. Let's check the weather across India. North India, hot, humid with possible evening showers. Keep an umbrella handy. West and south monsoon in full swing. Expect rain, cool weather, and cozy vibes. East and central scattered thunderstorms and lush greenery. Enjoy the monsoon but travel safely. Happy birthday to everyone celebrating today. You're caring, strong, and deeply connected to loved ones. This year, focus on your own happiness. Pursue a passion or learn something new. Trust your intuition. New opportunities are coming. Financial stability looks good, but your real treasure is your relationships. Make a wish for yourself, celebrate and enjoy every moment. Wishing you laughter, success, and love in the year ahead. Tough times happen to everyone. Those moments when life throws curveballs, and you feel like you're navigating a storm. It's part of the human experience, a universal truth that connects us all. Whether it's a setback at work, a challenge in your personal life, or simply feeling overwhelmed by the daily grind, remember that these periods are temporary. They don't define you, but rather offer opportunities for growth and resilience. Remember, you're not alone. There's a vast network of support available to you, whether it's friends, family, colleagues, or even online communities. Reaching out and sharing your struggles can make a world of difference. Don't hesitate to lean on others for guidance, encouragement, or simply a listening ear. Remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. At work, focus on what you can control. the tasks you can complete, the projects you can contribute to, and the relationships you can nurture. Do your best, even when motivation is low. Small, consistent efforts can lead to significant progress over time. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and celebrate each milestone along the way. Document achievements, big and small. Keep a record of your accomplishments, skills, and positive feedback you receive. This can serve as a powerful reminder of your capabilities and value, especially during challenging times when self-doubt creeps in. And communicate calmly. Express your concerns and ideas respectfully and constructively. Clear and open communication can prevent misunderstandings, resolve conflicts, and foster stronger working relationships. If things don't improve, it's okay to explore new opportunities. Sometimes the best way to overcome a difficult situation is to seek a fresh start. Consider exploring different roles, industries, or even career paths that align better with your values and goals. In relationships, listen more than you speak. Truly listen to understand the other person's perspective, even if you don't agree with it. Acknowledge feelings, both your own and those of others. Validate their emotions, even if you don't fully understand them. And avoid digging up the past. Focus on the present and future rather than dwelling on past hurts or mistakes. Work together to solve problems, not against each other. Approach challenges as a team, seeking collaborative solutions that benefit everyone involved. Sometimes a little space helps both sides cool down. Taking a break from the situation can provide clarity and perspective, allowing you to approach it with a fresh mindset. Be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion and treat yourself with the same understanding and care you would offer a friend. Feel your emotions, but don't let them take over. Acknowledge your feelings without judgment, but don't allow them to dictate your actions or decisions. Talk to a friend, share your thoughts and feelings with someone you trust. Write in a journal to process your emotions and gain clarity on your thoughts, or do something you love. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you relax and recharge. Every relationship has ups and downs. It's the natural ebb and flow of human connection. What matters is the willingness to reconnect. The effort to understand, forgive, and rebuild is what truly strengthens bonds. Remember, this is just a chapter, not your whole story. Your life is a book with many chapters, and this difficult time is just one of them. Stay hopeful and keep moving forward. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and create a brighter future for yourself. You're stronger than you think. You have the inner resources and resilience to navigate through this difficult time and emerge even stronger on the other side. Better days are ahead. Brighter days filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment are waiting for you. Keep your eyes on the horizon and believe in the promise of a better tomorrow. Here are some quick tips for a great Saturday. Do spend time in nature, connect with an old friend, move your body, eat well, and trust your intuition. Don't overthink, argue unnecessarily, make impulsive purchases, ignore your health, or hold on to grudges. Small positive choices can transform your day. Make conscious decisions that support your well-being. Recharge, don't drain yourself. Smile, it's your best accessory and totally free. Enjoy every moment. Have a fantastic Saturday. Saturday is ruled by Shani Dev. Think of him as a teacher, not a villain. Today's energy is about discipline, patience, and finishing what you've started. Use this day to organize complete tasks and build strong foundations. Facing west or helping those in need aligns you with Saturn's positive influence. Remember, good deeds and hard work bring lasting rewards. Saturdays are a pause button. Reflect, recharge, and realign your goals. Ask yourself, am I happy? Am I on the right path? Use this pause to prepare for a powerful week ahead. Rest, reflect, and get ready to shine. Have a thoughtful, peaceful Saturday.